Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu says, one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting amidst the people. A man walked to him and submitted, "What is faith?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Faith is that you must believe in Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, His angels, His apostles, meeting with Him and resurrection." He then said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is Islam?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Islam is that you must worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, must not associate anyone with Him, establish prayer, pay obligatory zakat, poor due, and observe fasting in the month of Ramadan." He then asked, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what is ihsan?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ihsan is that you should worship Allah Jalla Jalaluhu as if you were sighting Him, and if you cannot see Him, keep it in your mind. He Jalla Jalaluhu is watching you." He then said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when will the hour occur?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The one asked about it knows no more than the one interrogating, but I tell you some of its portents. When a slave girl will beget her master, it is a portent of the day of resurrection. When the naked and the barefooted people will be the chiefs of the people, it is the portent of the day of resurrection. And there are 5 things that none knows them saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Undoubtedly, with Allah is the knowledge of the hour, and He sends down rain and knows what is in the womb of the mother." Thereafter, that man went away. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Fetch that man to me." The people went in order to call him, but saw none. Whereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "He was Gabriel who had come to teach the people their religion." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4777.